We'll have that story in a moment, but first, UMass Amherst health officials are on alert for any signs of the coronavirus after a UMass Boston student was diagnosed with it last week. 22 News reporter Nick Oresko is live in Northampton with the latest on how UMass is making sure the virus doesn't affect its students.
The risk to the public remains low in Massachusetts, but health experts are monitoring the situation very closely.
The school said that the risk is low, so I'm not too worried about it, but there's always cause for concern.
UMass Amherst is keeping a close eye on its students after a UMass Boston student was diagnosed as the first Massachusetts resident with the coronavirus after he returned from China over the weekend. There are now 11 cases of the virus nationwide. Thousands of cases have been confirmed in China, with more than 300 deaths since the start of the year.
I'm generally not that concerned around campus. I feel like everyone's pretty aware of it, and if anyone has any problems, everyone's pretty willing to head down to the UHS. So I think everyone's pretty responsible so far.
UMass Amherst does not have any students reporting any symptoms of the coronavirus, but health officials say that they are keeping a close eye on it. The university is working with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Massachusetts Department of Public Health to monitor the situation. There is currently no vaccine to prevent infection. The best way to avoid being exposed to the virus is by washing your hands, often with soap and water, for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth, and avoid close contact with people who are sick. As for the coronavirus man who is in Boston, he is being quarantined until further notice in his home. We're live in Northampton this evening. Nick Oresko, 22 News.